Welcome to in front of me REALME C35, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So now we got selected this one, and just to change it you should go into the settings application and then click here on the display section. Now just here tap to the wallpaper and tap to the wallpapers again. Here we can see that we can select our new wallpaper from our device photos if you get some previously taken or just downloaded from the internet, or also we get here 2 folders with our default photos. For example, click and select this wallpaper, then click on the right down corner here and select the lock screen. Wait a second, here we can see this the message that this wallpaper applied successfully, and now when we'll check you can see that we just successfully changed our device lock screen wallpaper. And also we can do this by the second way. Just first hold for a while your device screen, and here you'll see the wallpaper section. Just click here, and by the same way just select one from the available and just wallpapers that you will like. On the left down corner tap to OK, select lock screen. Wait a second, and now as can you see we can see the new look of our device lock screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.